So, good morning, everybody. Uh, Good morning, DXN India. Greetings from DXN India. So, I'm very happy to be in this webinar today and share my knowledge about DXN products, especially Ganoderma lucidum. A small introduction about me. I am a cardiologist practicing cardiology for the past 35 years. I qualified as a cardiologist in 1985. So first of all, I shall share my how I joined DXN. It was in 1999. One Dr. Clarence came from Malaysia, and he was sent by Dr. Lim to start the DXN business in India. And Dr. Clarence, he studied his medicine in India, and Dr. Ratna Vasupal and he were classmates in Mysore Medical College in India, and that's how we landed straight from Malaysia to Chennai. I got introduced to Dr. Clarence since Professor Vasupalaya and Dr. Ratna were my close family friends now for the past 35 years. That's how I got to know Dr. Clarence. Dr. Clarence, he had done a lot of research on Ganoderma. At the same time, he published a book on Ganoderma lucidum. He presented the book to me. In my medical curriculum, I have not heard about Ganoderma, and I was just listening to him and went through some of the research papers what he gave me, and I could understand a bit that Ganoderma is a powerful herb. It was in 1999, October, November, we had the first testimonial with Ganoderma. The patient was a school teacher suffering from blood cancer, monocytic leukemia, and the doctors treating her said that she will not survive more than 1 month because she was in a very advanced stage of the disease. She was looking for an alternative form of treatment, and she happened to be one of my very close friends, classmates, patients since childhood. When the doctor discussed with me about her condition, I told that only the bone marrow transplant will be the option, and the bone marrow transplant it's very expensive and it costs around 20,000 euros. She could not afford that kind of money for bone marrow transplantation, and I suddenly remembered about this Ganoderma that Clarence was telling me that it can help in cancer patients. That patient was in a very bad shape. She was bleeding all over. She could not walk. She could not eat anything. And as I said, the doctors said to her, told her that she will not survive for more than 1 month. We started her on RGGL. I think she was taking about 6 pairs a day, and I thought since she was in a very bad shape, she may not survive for more than a month. After a month, I received a call from my doctor friend saying that she has improved a bit. She was able to walk up to the washroom. She was able to take something, and her bleeding had come down. So this was a total surprise to all of us, and we asked her to continue RGGL. That time there was no DXN business in India, and the RGGL has to be brought from Malaysia, and Dr. Clarence was supporting in bringing the products and giving it to her. So she consumed RGGL for 3 months, and she had a dramatic recovery. And the 4th month, she joined back to work as a school teacher. So this incident opened up my mind, and again I went through the literature and Dr. Clarence's textbook, and I found that there are a lot of research papers available on Ganoderma. That was way back in 1999, early 2000. So I realized that Ganoderma is a powerful herb, and we have a lot of medicines derived from herb in medicine. I can give you a few examples. Digoxin is a tablet or an injection which is got from common flowering plant, Digitalis purpura, that's called as a foxglove. And that is the only drug used in allopathy in heart failure. It has been used for more than 250 years for heart failure. There is no medicine for heart failure till now. So we have many anti-cancer agents which are basically derived from plant source. Especially three types of anti-cancer medicines are derived from another plant, the root of the plant, which is called as Vinca rosea or periwinkle. The three anti-cancer drugs are derived from Vinca rosea, that is vincristine, vinblastine, and vinorelbine, and these drugs are used for multiple cancers. Okay. So there are basically three drugs which are derived from that herb, anti-cancer agents, and the other drugs, anti-cancer drugs are derived from especially the yew tree, that is paclitaxel and docetaxel. They are also used for multiple cancers. Why? The drug which are commonly using in this COVID, that is hydroxychloroquine, that is derived from the cinchona bark. There's one article which says that 70% of allopathic medications are derived from nature and herbs. The injection penicillin, which is called as a queen of antibiotics, is derived from a fungus, Penicillium notatum. So this injection penicillin is used primarily for gram-positive infections and in the prevention of rheumatic fever. Only 30% of the allopathic medications are purely chemicals. So I'm sharing this because you need to realize that allopathic medications, a lot of them are derived from nature. So as Ganoderma, which is called as the king of herbs, what nature has given us. So in late 1999, I became a temporary member, and subsequently DXN started its operations in India in April 2000. That is how I got into DXN, and I recommended Ganoderma for my friends, my relatives, and some of my patients. As a cardiologist, as an allopathic doctor, I was so busy doing angioplasty, stenting, and referring my patients to surgery. So it was a very demanding profession, and I was doing day in and day out. Why I took up cardiology was looking at my father. He was also a cardiologist, and he got his cardiology training in Canada from 1957 to 60, responsible for establishing the cardiology department in our part of the country. Father was a cardiologist. It's only just a coincidence, and today I feel I'm lucky to be in DXN. DXN came to India as a ninth country, and after it came to India, the DXN's growth was very fast, and it was growing all over the world. I joined DXN in 2000, but I was not very active because of my profession, and I sponsored only few of my friends and relatives as a member in DXN. So that's how I got into DXN and started doing a little bit of networking. And till 2010, 11, I was so busy in my profession. So in the course of time, that is from 2000 to 2010, I experienced a lot of testimonials, and I read a lot of research articles, and updated my knowledge on Ganoderma, and started sharing that knowledge all over the world. So today I will share more on Ganoderma and give you, share the research information. So, DXN is all about health. Health is wealth. It is the most precious asset. When health is gone, everything is gone, and any amount of money cannot give you health. So, Dr. Lim has rightly put the logo as health, wealth, and happiness as DXN logo. World Health Organization defining health, it says that it's not only the mere absence of disease, but one should have the 4 pillars of health: physical health, mental health, social health, and spiritual health. I can add one more pillar of health, that is a financial health, especially in the old age. Your financial health should be good so that you buy your own food and medicine. Basically, food is a medicine. Whatever food we take day in and day out, it should have health benefits. Socrates, about 2,500 years back, he said, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. So there are different kinds of food habits all over the world. The Asian diet, the European diet, the Mediterranean diet, and if you have the fast foods which are coming up, and there are healthy and unhealthy food what we take. So we have a food pyramid saying that we should consume more of cereals, legumes, roots, and tubers, and less of sweets and fats and oils, that is saturated fats. We also talk about the healthy diet with the appropriate proportion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Today, what's happening is there is change in our dietary pattern, and we tend to take more of fat and cholesterol foods. That's where the problem is. Especially the fast foods, what we take today, it's a way to fast way for disease and death. Today we take unhealthy diet, and change in the food habits have led us to a lot of lifestyle diseases and malnutrition. Malnutrition means both overnutrition and undernutrition, and especially in the Western world, we see a lot of overnutrition, obesity, and associated diseases. And in the developing countries, the undernutrition, where anemia is very common. So it's absolutely important that we should focus on our healthy diet that leads to good health, and Ganoderma is a superfood with health benefits. Any food can become a poison: excess salt, excess sugar, excess fat, even excess water, especially for people with kidney and heart disease, it can become a poison. But Ganoderma can never become a poison. It can only be a medicine. Being a superfood, it is known to us for more than 5,000 years, and it's a very powerful herb in traditional Chinese medicine. The modern research has shown us that Ganoderma contains more than 400 active ingredients which have powerful health benefits. These 400 ingredients are classified under 5 major headings: polysaccharides, organic germanium, adenosine, triterpenoids, and ganoderic essence. In Chinese, Ganoderma is called as Lingzi, meaning elixir for long life. In Japan, it is known as Reishi, that is the king of herbs. The basic action of Ganoderma is on the body. Acting on the body, it helps our body to be healthy, and the body treats the disease. The medicines act on the disease. So that's a basic difference between Ganoderma and the medicines. Some of the powerful constituents of Ganoderma which have health and medicinal benefits I shall share. The Ganoderma A, B, and C, they balance the blood sugar. That can help to control the blood sugar, especially useful for diabetic patients. GA beta glucan, it's an anti-inflammatory, meaning that it can be useful in pain and swelling. Beta D glucan and GZ, again, they have anti-tumor effect and they can modulate the immune system. Various fractions of ganoderic fractions, they can balance our cholesterol levels. Components like oleic acid, linseed, cyclooctasulfur, they have anti-allergic properties. It's a powerful heart tonic. It has got antiviral properties. It can protect the liver and balance the blood pressure. One of the important component of Ganoderma is adenosine and guanosine. Ganoderma is rich in adenosine. It is present in every cell and it's involved in the production of energy. It also improves the blood circulation, especially the blood flow in the small vessels. The uridine and uracil fraction, they can modulate our immunity and act as antiviral agents. Some of the glycoproteins are anti-cancer. So recently they have identified two kinds of antibiotics, ganomycin A and B, and their utility is being studied. So I mentioned Ganoderma acts on the body, and there are three basic mechanisms by which it acts on the body. The three functions are the detoxification function, immunomodulating effect, and the vasodilating effect, meaning that improves the blood circulation. So the detoxification is done by RG. When toxins accumulate in the body, they lead to a lot of health problems and diseases. So we talk about the external toxins and the internal toxins. The internal toxins which are produced by the oxidation process inside our body. So these toxic substances are called as free radicals, and they cause oxidative stress, and the free radicals, they cause a lot of diseases like heart disease, brain disease, cancer. So the antioxidant effect of Ganoderma can neutralize and eliminate the free radicals from the body. Ganoderma is 5 times more powerful like ginseng as an antioxidant. It's the most powerful antioxidant known to us. Radicals are associated with aging process, and when you consume powerful antioxidants, you postpone the aging process and postpone the disease process, so that you can prevent many illnesses associated with aging. Ganoderma is a powerful immunomodulator. The polysaccharide fraction and the ganoderic acid, they increase the production of interleukin 1 and 2 and interferon, which are basically very important for our immunity. Next to mother's milk, Ganoderma is the most powerful immunomodulator. As you know, the immune system develops in the first 5 years of life. That is why World Health Organization recommends that a mother should nurse a child for 2 years, so that all the vital organs will develop nicely and the immune system also becomes powerful. Of course, we have vaccines for specific infections, but unfortunately, we are being exposed to more and more newer bacterial and viral infections. So our immunity has to be very strong so that we can avoid those infections, especially in children. They die of very common infections like diarrhea. So when you consume Ganoderma, you can prevent all these infections. Being a powerful immunomodulator, it can help in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, polyarthritis nodosa, and systemic lupus erythematosus and psoriasis. And If your immune system is powerful, it can kill the cancer cells. So Ganoderma increases the blood flow to every tissue in the body, and it is brought on by the effect of adenosine and guanosine. Good blood flow means good oxygen, good nutrition to every cell in the body, and that is translated into health. To improve the blood circulation from head to foot, we don't have any medicine. Of course, we have few medications for the heart, but generally we cardiologists say walking is the best medicine because it improves the blood circulation by heart pumping more blood into the circulation. So good blood flow means good health. That's that function. So to recapitulate, Ganoderma acts on the body. It has a powerful detoxification effect, the antioxidant effect, the immunomodulating effect, and vasodilating effect, which will improve the blood circulation to all the organs in the body. Ganoderma also can help in certain disease situations. It has medicinal benefits. Because of its anti-inflammatory effect, it is a painkiller, and it's a natural painkiller with absolute safety. One of the most used and misused drugs in modern medicine is our painkillers, and the painkillers are very dangerous. So you need to be very cautious when you take a painkiller. And we have a natural painkiller, Ganoderma lucidum, and also Morinji, which has got a painkilling effect. Various fractions of Ganoderma, Lanoston, Lindsay-8, cyclooctasulfur, they have anti-allergic effect, and they are useful in skin allergy, nasal allergy, or bronchial allergy. So a word of caution, kindly avoid certain lotions, creams, and hair dyes which can cause allergy, and if the allergy sets in, it's lifelong. Better to avoid those dangerous compounds. And allergy is a mechanism by which we get into a lot of disease process, and Ganoderma is a very powerful anti-allergic agent. Another most important medicinal benefit of Ganoderma is its anti-cancer effect. It was discovered in Japan in 1977 that Ganoderma is a very powerful anti-cancer agent, and it can be used along with radiation, chemotherapy, or surgery for cancer. As I said earlier, my first testimonial was on a blunt cancer patient. It's a very powerful anti-stress herb, and by reducing the stress, it can prevent in diseases, and it can be very helpful to maintain the health. You need to give a very high dose of Ganoderma for cancer, that is 24 grams of RGGL daily for 6 months to 1 year. That is 30 pairs daily for 1 year. Because of the angiotensin converting enzyme effect, it can control the blood pressure, and it can reduce the workload on the heart, and it can help in heart patients. It's a very powerful heart tonic. Ganoderma can reduce the bad cholesterol and the triglyceride in the blood, and also help to increase the good cholesterol, that is the high density lipoprotein. So it's good for the heart. So it's a powerful brain tonic, kidney tonic, and it can help the various brain functions like improving the memory, makes us brisk and active, and it can regulate our sleep function. It's called as a spiritual herb, and by its calming effect on the mind, it can help us to improve the spiritual potency. It can help in diabetic patients because it can balance the blood sugar. The Ganoderma A, B, C fractions present in Ganoderma, they can reduce the blood sugar and also act as a insulin sensitizer. Ganoderma can help in diabetic complications like diabetic foot, neuropathy, and non-healing ulcers. So Ganoderma is a powerful liver tonic, heart tonic, brain tonic, and kidney tonic. The presence of organic germanium protects all these organs. It can help in rejuvenation and regeneration function of every cell in the body. To take Ganoderma for a long term to get these benefits. Especially in the old age, the blood flow comes down, our cell regeneration comes down, our cell the function comes down, and that can lead to a lot of diseases. Ganoderma, by acting on the body by these three mechanisms, can protect our health in the old age. Ganoderma is one of the most powerful adaptogen, and consuming adaptogens protects our health and prevent diseases. Stress is a major killer now, and by addressing this stress, Ganoderma can give us help. Ganoderma, by acting on the body by these three mechanisms, can protect our health in the old age. Ganoderma is one of the most powerful adaptogen, and consuming adaptogens protects our health and prevent diseases. It's a very powerful anti-stress herb, and by reducing the stress, it can prevent in diseases, and it can be very helpful to maintain the health. Stress is a major killer now, and by addressing this stress, Ganoderma can give us help. As far as the heart is concerned, it has got multiple benefits on the heart. It improves the blood circulation, it reduces the workload of the heart, it controls the risk factors for heart disease like high blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol, and stress. So Ganoderma is a very powerful heart tonic. All of you know that heart disease is a #1 killer in the world. And when you consume Ganoderma, you protect your heart, and it can also help heart patients. Research information available. There are a lot of information and research information available on Ganoderma. Kindly peruse these websites, especially PubMed. There are more than 10,000 research papers which are published in the PubMed. Kindly go through that. Mostly they are done on animal models. Now they have done few clinical studies to get information from this website. To share in my allopathy field, this is our textbook of cardiology, edited by Eugene Braunwald. He is 86 years old. He lives in US. He is called as a father of modern cardiology. And this textbook, reference textbook, is our Bible, it's our Quran, and Bhagavad Gita. In this reference textbook, there is a chapter on complementary and alternative approaches to management of heart patients. And in this chapter, they talk about yoga, meditation, acupuncture, supplements. And I was surprised when I found a green algae, that's our spirulina and Ganoderma lucidum, which can help heart patients. This is our Indian Heart Journal. And in September, October 2018 issue, we had an original article, the role of polysaccharide peptide of Ganoderma lucidum as a potent antioxidant and in atherosclerosis in high-risk patients and stable angina patients. So in conclusion, they have said that the polysaccharide fraction of Ganoderma lucidum is a potent antioxidant, and its role in against the pathogenesis of atherosclerosis and in stable angina pectoris and high-risk patients who are liable to get heart disease. The research information, kindly go to this website www.pubmed.gov, and you have all the research information available. So consume Ganoderma daily, stay healthy. So a few mention about the other product, especially spirulina. It is rich in micronutrition, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. Helps to build up our hemoglobin, and it can improve our immunity. It has got antiviral effect. And if you consume spirulina, maybe around 2 to 3 grams of spirulina every day, then you will get the enough micronutrition, and you can strengthen your immune system. The World Health Organization is fighting malnutrition through IMSAM, especially in the third world countries, and they are using spirulina to fight malnutrition and anemia. So by using spirulina, we can totally eradicate malnutrition and anemia, so that we can prevent many children dying of malnutrition, anemia, and also women who suffer from anemia. Certain facts about DXN spirulina: it's organic. It's not contaminated with any kind of pesticides or chemicals. So one of the high quality spirulina is DXN spirulina. 2 points about Morinzi. Two great scientists, they did a lot of work on Morinzi, Neil Solomon and Ralph Hennecke. The noni contains prozerones, which is converted into zeronin. This is a very important alkaloid which our body requires in periods of stress, and body cannot synthesize zeronin, so it has to be given externally. And since noni has got a high amount of prozeronin, it is very useful in stressful conditions. Morinji contains damnacanthal, which has cancer fighting properties, and it can act on the immune system and upgrade the immune system. Noni contains scopolamine, which is a painkiller. It has specific action on the COX-2 enzyme. It's a very safe painkiller. Scopolamine is a precursor of serotonin, and this serotonin is a feel-good hormone, and it can help to fight anxiety and depression. So there is a big list of nutraceuticals identified in Morinda citrifolia, and Morinda citrifolia is a powerful adaptogen. It is alkaline, it is antioxidant, it can help in painful conditions. It's an immunomodulator, and one need to take 15 to 60 ml of Morinzi every day. Few points about lion's mane and cordyceps. Lion's mane is good for the nervous system. It increases the production of nerve growth factor. That is why it's able to help the brain and the nervous system, and many patients will be benefited. People with the brain disorders and neuropathy, they can help. They can get a lot of help from taking lion's mane. So 4 to 6 tablets of lion's mane every day is good. And about cordyceps, it's good for the circulatory system. It's good for the heart and lungs. It also protects our kidney and improves our immune system. So daily consumption of 4 to 6 tablets of cordyceps is good to protect our heart, lungs, our and kidneys, and our immune system. DXN is all about health, and it's a healthy way of living. The best investment that you can make is in your own health. As I mentioned earlier, when health is gone, everything is gone. And it's very, very important that we should focus on our health and we should stay healthy. Whatever knowledge we have got today, we must be able to use it so that we become a wise person. To quote Swami Vivekananda, a great saint, he says, wisdom lies not in the amount of knowledge acquired, but in the degree of application. So we need to apply our knowledge so that it is helpful to us to stay healthy. So we should thank Dr. Lim Sujan for giving us DXN and the powerful DXN products so that we can stay healthy. At the same time, the DXN marketing plan is a very powerful marketing plan by which you can get the additional income or a residual income in the old age. So today, as a Crown Diamond, I'm enjoying the residual income from DXN as I partially have retired from my profession. So believe in the DXN products, believe in the marketing system, so that whatever you want in DXN, you can get it. So consume DXN products, stay healthy, and work according to the DXN marketing plan and remain financially healthy. And thank you for your patient listening.